everyone, it's ThomasTheTrain25 back with another video. We're going to make some Ikea train set layout. This is not going to be a big layout. It's just going to be a tiny beginner track. And I'm going to get a bucket and put them in there. And also guys, I got a new suitcase. It's a track suitcase. There's a train glued onto it and it rides, and it's pretty fun. You can put stuff in it, and when you go away on the airplane or stuff, or when you go to a vacation and you don't have anything fun to play with, you can bring it, take a train, or get the train and ride it and play with your suitcase. So, and this is Hershey's from Christmas. So yeah, let's get on to tutorial. Oh no, not a tutorial. I'm just crazy. Okay, so we're gonna get a bin, and I'm gonna take 8 or something. I'm gonna take 16 of the curves. 1, 2, 3. So I'm just going to skip the 10. 8. Let's find some. 9 and 10. Here we go. 6 more to go. 11. 12. There's not a lot, guys. So 13. 14. 15, and the last 16. Oh, here's the R track E2 nicely. And we're gonna take a bridge. We're gonna take this and the other piece. I gotta take 2 big pieces, 2 long tracks. And this is not a layout. I just figured it out. Thank you to Super Toy for making me do this idea. So shout out to Super Toy on YouTube. Subscribe to him. He only has 4,227 or 28 or 29 or whatever. And let's get on building to our lovely track. Okay, everyone, so this is not going to be time-lapse. I'm going to build the track right now. So we're going to take all the curves out. We're going to just jump in. And we're going to do 1 each. And so we're going to take the bridge first, actually. Move these out of here. Take the bridge. You're going to have to get a bigger view. I don't have any bigger view. Wait a sec. I'm using a bin tool on. Okay. So here. This is a pretty good view. Okay, yeah. So we're going to make the bridge. And now we're going to... The camera can't see this, but we're going to... I don't know if the camera could see this, so I'm going to have to put it up closer. Okay, we're going to bring it all the way over here. This looks good. Now I'm going to move it back. Is this live? No. Okay, so now we're going to take a straight piece. Another straight. We're going to take this. I don't think we need this much. Or we might. I don't know why. I'm just watching, and Dakota left the second Nerf gun. Oh, Evan, you knocked down the camera. Yeah, but Dakota, why does the second Nerf? Okay, guys. Gotta move the camera over. Let's form it. And yeah. Guys, I will hit 2. I need 2. I'm going to move it over. And And so I can fit all these pieces in. Not fit it all. I want to fit it all in. Or maybe we can just take one more. And yeah. Nope. Okay guys, so yeah, that's it. Oh, I think I messed it up. I definitely messed it up, so let's push it back. A little more. Did I mess it up? Yep guys, I definitely messed it up. But so we're gonna take a curve. Nope. So we're gonna just take one away. Yep, there we go. So yeah guys, we finished it and it's not a way out. I just figured it out. And here's the crossover bridge track. I'm gonna get some trains. I need to get the small Ikea ones because Thomas and the other ones can't fit through the bridge and all that. So let's get some.
Hey, I want to do some.
So we got a car train. We got some trains. There we go. I'm gonna take this. Get more trains. Okay. Okay.
2 pieces of curve.
My brother's making the track too. So it's.
I'm making Tornado Alley. Get away from Tornado Alley.
Evan, make it in the living room. I said. Okay.
I just want to do it over here. I need a small island.
Okay, so we're gonna write it. This one can't go
So I'm
together.
making a small island.
We're gonna put this guy on the side, and we're gonna ride with this one first. Is it perfect? Can I go down the bridge?
Jason,
Woohoo! I made it.
I'm
What?
making a Tornado Alley too, so cute.
Okay, we're gonna ride it, and we're gonna test the other guy
I
now.
will be quiet and you're not.
And we're gonna go with this guy. Woo! Oh, fly off. Woo! Okay, guys, just so you know, I don't have Brio, so it's kind of hard without Brio. I have Thomas. I have Thomas and Imaginator. I forgot what it's called, and it's good. So yeah. Here's the 3D view of it. Here we go. Spin around. Look at it. It just shows good. And yeah, that was an Ikea train set. How to build and stuff. And yeah, hope you guys liked it. And bye. See you in the next video.